In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TickTick for time management. We'll walk through a simple daily flow that helps you see what matters now, preview what's coming, and keep your tasks organized without overwhelm. Start by opening TickTick and heading to the Today view. This is your command center for what needs attention right now. Scan the list from top to bottom, looking at due times and any labels you've added. If a task lacks context, click in and add details like a brief note or a time estimate so it's easier to execute later. If something doesn't belong today, adjust its date so today stays realistic. Next, reveal the completed section in Today. A quick glance here serves two purposes. Confirm that recently finished items are truly done and catch anything you might have checked off by mistake. This mini review keeps your list clean and gives you a small motivation boost. Now, switch to the next 7 days view for a short planning horizon. This gives you a rolling snapshot of what's coming. Look across the week and check each day's workload. If one day is overloaded, move lower priority tasks to lighter days by changing their due dates. Try grouping related tasks together to minimize context switching and spread out high effort items so you don't burn out midweek. While you're reviewing, make sure your tasks have priority set. TickTick supports multiple priority levels, typically color-coded flags. Use high sparingly for true must-do items, medium for important but flexible work, and low for nice-to-have tasks. Well-assigned priorities make filtering and sorting far more useful and help you avoid decision fatigue. In the week view, open Completed again to see what you've already closed out this week. This quick win review reinforces progress and helps you stay on track with goals. Head over to the inbox next. The inbox is where uncategorized tasks land, whether you captured them on the go or added them quickly without details. Review each item, rename it clearly, add a due date if needed, assign a project or list, and set a priority. If something isn't actionable, archive or delete it to keep your system tidy. Finally, click Sort to arrange tasks in a way that supports focus. Sorting by due date is great for planning. Priority helps you tackle the most important work first, and Custom lets you manually order tasks for a specific sequence. In Today, a mix of priority then due time often works well. In Inbox, date created helps you process an order. That's the full flow. Use Today to execute, Completed to confirm, next 7 days to plan, priorities to focus, Inbox to clarify, and Sort to stay in control. You're ready to manage your time with TickTick.